the Italian Frutti di Mare, which is just in essence a seafood salad. So I made my way over to the seafood section. Squid rings is definitely needed in a seafood salad, so I'm gonna pop that in. Because we are getting some really nice sized squid rings, for me, I think I wanna get an equally nicely sized shrimp. So black tiger shrimp, people love this because it's really meaty. I am gonna go with the 2125s because I wanna make this fresh myself and I wanna poach everything and infuse it with a little bit of my own flavor. I'm gonna go for the raw ones. We're over in our fresh seafood department and we offer octopus. Okay, so to finish my seafood salad, I've gotta grab a couple of things. Some really crisp vegetables, celery, carrots, I need parsley. I like to add a little bit of red pepper, and because I'm from the south in Sicily, we're gonna add a mild olive as well. So I'm gonna finish grabbing those things and then I'll meet everyone upstairs in the kitchen. I don't know why, but I've been craving Frutti di Mare. It's a cold seafood salad. My mom makes it for Christmas. It's the one thing on Christmas Eve that she makes every year for me.
Yeah, your mom makes it, but you're making it this time?
Yes, I have decided I need to learn. The most important part of making a good seafood salad I have learned from my mother is good ingredients. What I really love about it is that crunch that you get with the carrot, the celery, a little red pepper.
That situation scares me a little bit.
The octopus?
Yeah, it's a little intimidating.
I got you. First step, we have to poach and cook the seafood. So I'm gonna season the water first. Is kind of the fun part where you get to put in whatever you want to bring out some flavor. Can I get one stalk of celery?
I'm gonna wash it for you because it's pretty dirty.
That's the flavor, right? Give me some dirt. Parsley in there. I'm gonna grab some celery, put one stalk of celery, two stalks of celery in there. Some peppercorns, and that's gonna add a little spiciness to it. I'm gonna add the juice of a lemon. It doesn't matter if the seeds go in, because again, we're gonna be scooping out all the food. It's just a poaching. So it's just like a poaching broth. You have to salt your water, and I don't know why, but a bay leaf. I don't know what bay leaf does, so I'm gonna let that come to a boil. So, gross? A little gross? Okay. So when you are putting the octopus in the water to cook, to boil, you wanna put the tentacles in just to firm up a little bit before you put them all in. And you let it kind of start, so see how it started to curl up? And now we're gonna let that go in, okay? We're gonna let that boil off. See how it gets that nice deep purple color? Doesn't take too long to cook it. My friend is done. You don't use the head. You know what I didn't do though? The octopus colored the water.
So you should have done that last.
I should have done it last. Am I worried about it? Derek's not worried about it. Squid rings are going in next. They got a little bit of that octopus color to them, but that's okay. So Derek, remember how I said I got shrimp with shell? Rinse them in cold water. That was like 5 minutes, right? And shell them, and then that'll also help them thaw out. For poaching shrimp, you don't need to boil the water, and actually turn the heat off. You just pop it in and put a lid on it. Step 2 is we get our raw ingredients off to the side, which is just celery. The celery, you can leave some of the stems. Olives, just broken up into pieces, pitted. Chopped parsley, and I need the chopped carrots and some diced peppers.
And those stay raw.
Those stay raw. All right, for the dressing, so I'm just gonna squeeze the juice of 3 lemons. Probably just 1 clove of garlic, yeah, maybe 2, we'll see. 2 it is. Now, we add our vegetables. Add the parsley. Now you're gonna need a lot of salt if I'm not mistaken. Olives can go in too. Olive oil. We have our new Vince's olive oil from Italy.
Oh, it's so colorful and fresh looking.
All right. Rosalia's got some competition.
Hey, don't talk yet. We didn't try it yet.
That's gonna be good. How can it not be good?
Yeah,
This is
the
done.
amount of garlic is perfect. I think that was a good amount of
The
salt.
lemon juice. You could use some vinegar
A
if you
little
wanted
bit of vinegar. I would think like a tiny bit of vinegar.
Red wine?
Yeah.
Okay, just a little. That's it. Yeah, the vinegar's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I did a good job.
Well, it looks beautiful.
Ah!
Now we just have to let it chill so the flavors marinate together. You serve it cold.
Yeah. Okay, my seafood salad looks ready.
You made that.
Ha ha!
Look at that.
There's certain things like a sense of pride when you make something, eh?
You should be proud of yourself.
Hey, you like that?
I do. It looks amazing.
I think I could eat that whole bowl. Not right now, but over the course of a day or so. Move over, Rosalia.